I got a new EDC. Yo, what it do? It's your man 9 Million. I'm back with another quick video. Disclaimer, YouTube disclaimer. Firearms are empty. There's nothing in this magazine. Let's lock that out. There's nothing in the firearm. There's nothing in the barrel. If y'all can see it. There's nothing in this firearm. Actually, that's already no mag in it. There's nothing. Alright. So that's the disclaimer, fam. So what we got today is a quick video on my newest EDC. It's not new, but it's newer. Alright, so this is since I've been legal, this is my third time switching my EDC. So this is the newest switch. The first switch was from a Taurus P1911. What's it called? PT9? No, PT911. I'm sorry. What the hell? Hold on. Hold on. Introducing the Stockbox Pro Gun Safe, the ultimate solution for safety. With cutting-edge technology, this safe keeps your firearms secure yet accessible. Built to last with an advanced locking mechanism, trust that your loved ones are protected. Use link in the description for 10% off and buy one Stockbox Pro, get one free. Double the safety for your peace of mind. Visit our website today. Link is in the description. So, my first legal EDC that I carried on a regular basis was a PT911 by Taurus. Single action, double action, hammer fire gun. It was good. Never ran me astray. It never did me dirty. None of that. But I wanted something newer. Something that had more potentially more capacity and more reliability. So I've been hearing Taurus issues, but at the time I wasn't really shooting a lot, so I didn't personally notice any issues. I never really had too many issues, but then again, I wasn't shooting on an everyday basis. But once I start taking the firearms training and taking my skills to the next level, I figured it's time for me to invest in a new firearm. On top of that, PT911 is an all metal, all steel, or aluminum. I don't know exactly. It's probably steel because it's heavy than the motherfucker. But it's an all steel gun, and I ended up buying a Glock 26, and not long after that, I bought a Glock 27. So the Glock 27 was my go-to for my everyday carry, which is this bad motherfucker right here. So it comes stock with a 9-round flush-mounted magazine, but I added the pinky extension because let's say this is flush mount. I put my hand on it. You get the little pinky wiggle right there. So what I did was put the extension on that bad boy. I didn't extend the bag to take more rounds, but I extended it to get a full purchase on the handle. Alright, so this was my everyday carry for, I say, this whole last year. I say, yeah, I think maybe a little bit more than a year. I was carrying this, which I still will, don't get me wrong. So this is my rotation. But for the most part, this is what I was carrying every day, and my rotation would have been the PT911. I've since retired the PT911. If I get into competitions, which I plan on doing, I'm gonna start practicing with that more, and I may have that PT911 by Taurus. I may use that for a certain aspect of the competitions, but that won't be my go-to. My go-to is not even this no more. And this is the holster I got for it, I should say. This is a Houdini holster, which allows for you to draw regular, and it also allows for you to draw by snapping your wrist and getting on target. So if you're holding it, let's say I'm right-handed, so I'm holding it here, I can boom, get on target real fast, or I can snatch it out. It has good coverage. There's really no space for anything to get inside of there. And I opted to take off the regular belt clip and put the ulti clip on there because I can clip this onto any pants or shorts that I wear, whether it's basketball shorts, gym shorts, sweatpants, regular pants, jeans. I can snap this on and boom, and it's got good retention to it. Alright, so this was my everyday carry for the last year. But since, when did I buy this? I want to say February. February time frame is when I bought this bad motherfucker, which is, like I said, it's empty. This is the Ruger RXM. By the whole top portion of the gun is by Ruger. The bottom portion of the gun is by Magpul, including the mag. This gun also takes Glock 19 mags. So essentially this is a Glock 19. Essentially this is a Glock 19 Gen 3 with some upgrades on it. It's got the front serrations. It's got the upgraded sights, night sight on the front, metal night sight on the front, metal blacked out sight on the rear. I added the Delta Point Pro because this slide comes optics ready. You don't have to spend extra on it or nothing. And it has a trigger control mechanism. I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna call it trigger control mechanism, and that's the serialized part of the gun. So you can take that serialized part of the gun out and throw it in a new frame. These Magpul frames, they have different colors now. It comes in this like grayish blue. I added some tape just for grip. My hands get sweaty. But it comes in this grayish blue. They've come out with a black as well as a FDE. So they have 3 different colors. But this is the compact size, same size as the Glock 19. They have other frames coming out. They have a full size like Glock 17 style frame, and they also have subcompact Glock 26 style frame. Matter of fact, I wonder if this upper will fit. I wonder if this upper will fit on this lower. Because if you don't know, Glock 26 and Glock 27 lowers are pretty much the same. They're the same size, same footprint, all of that. And the Glock 26 slide will fit on the Glock 27 frame and vice versa. So this is a Glock 26. No, this is Glock 27. This is the Glock 27 frame. Let's see if I can slide my Ruger RXM slide on there, and I can. I got some hangover right here, but essentially, minus that gap being taken up, essentially the subcompact frame that's coming out by by Magpul for this Ruger RXM will look similar to this, except for I'm pretty sure this will be filled in. This little gap will be filled in. So you'll have the capability to have a super compact frame with a regular compact slide. So if y'all can imagine how that would look, you can tell I ain't use this bad boy, man. It got fur on the inside. But so yeah, essentially that's what it's gonna look. I don't have a Glock 17 or anything of that size so y'all can see what that'll look like. But basically with the Glock 17 style frame, with this Glock 19 style slide, it's probably gonna look like the Glock 19X. Is that what's called? Yeah, I think it's the 19X or the Glock 48. I want to say it's the 48. But yeah, I mean, that don't look bad. But that's why this is my new EDC, fam. Straight up. The major is optics ready. It has a big boy capacity. It takes Glock mags. So any of the double stack Glock style magazines, this bad boy will take. Whether it's the 15 rounder that it comes with, the 17 rounder that comes on the Glock 17, the upgraded extendo 33 round or whatever the extension is, the bad boy that comes way down here, it'll take all of those double stack Glock mags. It comes with Magpul mags, but we'll talk about that in another vlog. In another video, it won't be this one. But and it's optics ready. With the upgraded sights, flat trigger. Like, man, this bad boy to me is winning. To me, that bad boy winning. Let's put this Glock 27 back together. This will still stay in my rotation though because of how small it is. It's small and compact. I can put this bad boy on my ankle. If I wanted to, I could throw it in the pocket, but I'm not a big pocket carrier. I'm either carrying that appendix, 3 o'clock, or maybe, what's that? Not straight in the back, but kind of over the butt cheek on the side. What's that, 6 o'clock? No, 6 o'clock could be the rear. So, hold on. I don't know what you would call that. 4 o'clock? Yeah, I say, so what? 12, 3, 4. Something. I don't know. Get in the comments, let me know. But over the butt cheek. Over the butt cheek. So those are the 3 places I would carry this, and it's super easy to conceal. So if I want to dress up, get tight, get fresh, most likely I'm going to have this bad boy with me. For my everyday get down, my everyday wear, t-shirts, dickies, maybe some jeans or whatever, or even some regular shorts or something, most likely it's gonna be this one, man. I got a red dot on this bad boy. I got more capacity. I get a full purchase on it. It shoots smooth in the motherfucker. Man, it look good. So yeah, I got a new EDC. Hey, whether you need to defend yourself with your hands, pistol, a sword, a rifle, or a pistol, USCCA. Anything happens, whether it's criminal or civil cases, that will cover your ass in case you need to use self-defense. No lacking. USCCA, link in the description. Don't say I ain't tell you so. USCCA ain't the only ones on the market, so shop around. We personally use USCCA. That link is in the description. They have insurance policy, online training, and certifications right at the comfort of your own home. Get in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Also, I didn't talk about it, but I also have the same Houdini holster. And I took the regular belt clip off, put the ulti clip on this one too. I ain't even take the sticker off this motherfucker. Nope, I ain't take a sticker off this motherfucker neither. But if you're interested in checking out the Houdini, man, it comes with the, mine came with the ulti clip. I don't know if I paid extra for it or not, I don't remember. But it came with the ulti clip as well as the belt clip. And it came with the side, not the wedge, but the little belt clip to help the firearm kind of tilt towards your body so you won't print as much. It comes with that stock. I had one for this one too, I just didn't have it on. I've been playing with it, and then I bought this one, so this kind of fell by the wayside. Boom. So this is where we at with it. I also have the Glock 26, but I prefer the Glock 27 because those bullets are so big and heavy. It's like getting punched by a light heavyweight. This is getting punched by a strong lightweight. Nah, maybe a super middleweight. This is more like a super middleweight. This is more like a light heavyweight. But either way, you can't go wrong. I can't go wrong. I also had a Glock 26 at my disposal. Well, I'd rather prefer to have this one. If I'm going to carry the 9, I'm going to carry this bad boy. But if I'm going to go shorter or like a backup gun, I'm going with the big boy bullets. Glock 27, chambered in 40 cal. This is my Ruger RXM, chambered in 9mm. Plus, this matches my name, man, 9mm. 9mm. If you didn't know, you better go ask somebody. Hit up Google, look up Ed 9mm Ratcliffe. Ed 9mm Ratcliffe. Look me up, man, see what I'm about. Cause I don't really talk about it much. If you've been watching me long enough on YouTube, you kind of know, what I'm about or whatever. A little bit about my history. But if you don't know, check out Google, man. Google my name. And get in the comments, let me know what y'all think, man. I'm happy. I'm super excited. I'm so excited about this goddamn Ruger RXM. I went and bought my old lady another one. So we got two Ruger RXMs in the crib right now. She got a different sight, different optic on her shit. It's super. She ain't even put no rounds through it yet. The most I've been having her do though, I have been having her dry fire with it. Because I told her she cannot go to the range. She can go to the range whenever she wants to, but she gotta shoot another gun. That Ruger, I gotta be present for it. And if y'all don't know, I'm a trucker. You can go watch my trucker vlogs over at my vlog channel, which is 9mm Go Hard. Another story, but yeah, we got 2 Ruger RXMs now with 1 red dot, 1 green dot. So stay tuned for more footage coming from her. It'll be on this channel. Man, I got big plans. Good things coming. And next up for me is to get certified to become an instructor. That's one of the goals I'm really working on. Once I get my certification to become an instructor, my goal behind that is to do my first competition. Not just me, my old lady too. We talked about it early at the beginning of the year, and we have plans to do our first competition at least by the 3rd quarter. So we got January, February, March, April, May, June. So July, August, September. We got 3 months. We just now hit July. So we got 3 months to be able to get into our first competition. But that's all contingent on me getting my certification to be an instructor. Stay tuned, man. If y'all interested in following this journey, following the family, well, as far as my old lady goes, is shooting and all that. You interested in learning from my mistakes or not expertise, but my mistakes and my learning from my knowledge and my wisdom. And me going through the steps, going through the paces or whatever, hit that like button, man. It's the realest channel, firearms channel, self-defense channel, self-protection channel on YouTube. Mark my words. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I've been rambling long enough. New EDC went from the Glock 27 to the Ruger RXM. Both with Houdini holsters. Link in the description for the holsters. I think that's it, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool? Hit that like button. Get in the comments. Let me know what y'all thinking, man. Whether you like it, you hate it, you love it, you like it. I don't know. Let me know. I'll holla. Peace.